Driver profiles in your Toyota Prius allow you to personalize vehicle settings for different drivers. This includes seat position, mirror angles, driving modes, infotainment preferences, and more. Customizing profiles enhances comfort, safety, and efficiency for each driver. Available on fifth-generation models from 2023 onwards, with enhanced features added in the 2025 refresh. To create a driver profile, navigate to the Settings menu on your Prius's central touchscreen. Select Driver Profiles from the Settings menu. Then choose Create Profile. You will be prompted to enter a name for the profile and can then begin customizing settings. Profiles can also be managed via the Toyota app on your smartphone. Within a driver profile, you can customize various vehicle settings to match your preferences. First, seat position can be adjusted if your vehicle has power-adjustable seats. This includes height, forward-backward movement, and recline angle. Next, side mirror angles can be customized for optimal visibility. Adjust the left and right mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Steering wheel tilt allows you to position the wheel for easy reach and comfortable driving posture. Finally, pedal adjustments let you customize the position of the brake and accelerator pedals for optimal legroom. Remember, profiles cannot override critical safety systems like automatic emergency braking. Driver profiles in the Toyota Prius allow you to customize driving dynamics for your preferred experience. Choose from hybrid mode preferences like EV Priority for electric-only driving, Normal for balanced performance, or Sport for more responsive acceleration. Adjust adaptive cruise control sensitivity to match your comfort level with following distances. If available in your trim, tune suspension for comfort on rough roads, Normal for everyday driving, or Sport for better handling. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your driving style and conditions. Personalize your infotainment experience within each driver profile. Start with audio presets for your favorite radio stations or playlists. Set navigation defaults, including your home address and frequent destinations. Customize climate control preferences like temperature and fan speed. Link your smartphone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to save contacts and app preferences to the profile. For automatic profile activation, link each profile to a specific key fob or biometric ID if equipped. This ensures the correct profile is loaded when a particular key fob is used to start the vehicle or when a registered fingerprint is scanned. This streamlines the user experience and saves time. Newer Prius models include AI-assisted features that adapt driver profiles over time. The Auto Learn function records your driving habits and suggests optimizations. Future trends include integration with smart homes and health metrics for even more personalized experiences. Be aware of cybersecurity risks to connected profiles and ensure your data is secure. Switch between driver profiles easily using the touchscreen interface or the Toyota app on your smartphone. This allows quick transitions between personalized settings for different drivers. Profiles can be backed up to the cloud, ensuring continuity across different vehicles or after system resets. This keeps your settings intact and accessible. Always keep your profile pins secure to prevent unauthorized access and protect your personalized settings from being altered by others. Regularly review and update your profile settings to ensure they align with your current driving preferences and needs. By managing your profiles effectively, you maintain a seamless and secure driving experience in your Toyota Prius.